Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna show you a few troubleshooting steps how to get it resolved, like fix it by yourself when you have an issue with your mixer grinder. So hope you guys have seen this mixer grinder before. This is Prestige mixer grinder. I've made the unboxing video long back, and today my mom told me that there is some issue with this, wherein every often it was getting stuck and it was not working. So I'm gonna check this now. So if the issue is still it is resolved, and then I'm gonna try to fix this. Before that, I really like to thank you everyone for helping me reaching 43,000 plus subscribers, and please do support me in uploading more and more videos. As you guys know that I'm not particular into one kind of video. I'm an electrician, and I do these kind of works, as well as I do other kind of videos like traveling, ride. I have another channel for my bike ride, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. Please do subscribe that channel also if you are interested in ride kind of video. I do rides and unboxing stuff related to the motorbike and traveling. And the guys who are watching for the first time, please show me some love by subscribing my channel and click on that bell icon. So any doubts or any questions you have, do let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you, and I'll try to resolve that query. So let's do the test first, and I have connected the plug. It's not working. Okay, so you can see the power supply is on. Hope you can see the light. The power supply is on, but still it's not working. So usually when there is an overload in the mixer or the carbon which will be connected to the motor, when this has an issue, mixie doesn't work. So trying it out, it's not working. So what usually we have to do is first press this reset button. So when it's not really prepared, so yeah, human happens. So I was a little scared. So you have to press this, so it will work. When you press this reset button, it should work. But here the thing is, it used to get stuck every like now and then, every often. So you saw it was not working. When I pressed the release button, it was working. So let me just check if it is how much time this motor gonna run. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So my mom says it was not working when there was a load. So now it was running fine without load. So I'm gonna add the load and check if we can run. You can see it's in the third speed. 1, this is second, this is 1, this is off, and this is reverse. So it's not working. So you just saw now it was running for like few seconds and it got stopped. Let me press the reset button, put it on speed 1. Okay, I'm trying to press this reset button. It's not working. So as I told, it seems issue with carbon. So whenever I'm pressing this reset button, it's working. So let me open this and check out. And for this you need few tools. First thing, remove the plug from the power supply. Okay, any electrical work you do, and you should make sure you take certain safety precautions. And I'm an electrician, so I know how to work and how it works. So if you're very much sure, then you can do this, or else please do not try this at home. And I'm really not responsible for this. I can teach you how it works, but safety first. So I've removed the plug, you can see. And this is a rubber mat which I bought new. And any electrical, when you work on any of the electrical part or any electrical equipment, please make sure you're insulated with solid wood or a rubber mat or a shoe slipper kind of thing. And when you're working on direct line or kind of like switchboard or anything, make sure you use a rubber gloves for your hand, which should be recommended for electric rubber gloves. And trying to take out this one screw. Okay, I have removed all the 4 screws and keeping it apart. There's too much of dust, everything inside. So you can see this is how it's gonna look. So this is the release button. I'm gonna remove this release button for now. So try it. Okay, yeah, it's fine. I can still work on this. So I'll just take the camera in the front. Okay, so you can see guys, this is the motor which has a armature inside, and this is the copper, the carbon bushes is there. So first I have to open that and check the bushes, carbon bush. So it's very simple. So hope you can see here. You have to just remove this. It depends, like all other brands have different types of lock system. So here this is a different kind of lock system. I have to just press it, like pull it or push it outward. Okay. Just do the bush. Clearly visible. You can just see this was folded over here. I've just opened it, made it flat and pulled it out, and here comes the carbon bush. Okay, you can see the bush. I think expected the bush is jam. There will be a spring attached to that. So okay, you can see there is a carbon bush. I think this is the reason it's getting jammed. So I've just taken this bush one outside, and it's time to remove the another one which is over here. Same technique, to use a screwdriver or tester. Take this out. Make it flat using a combination plier, a cutting plier. So as soon as you take this out, the spring pops out, but you have to just push this bit. You have to make this little broader, so the carbon bush comes a little easier. Okay, so I've taken this uh, both the carbon bush out. So I see still it can be used, but I don't know why this was getting jammed. And I'm gonna clean the armature using a waste cloth or clean tissue paper. Just bought some tissue paper. Do not use any kind of water or a liquid cleaner to clean this. So here you can see this part, okay, where the armature is here. This I have to clean it, and should be very careful. One cut of connection between armature, everything will go for a toss, and the entire armature or the recoiling has to be done later. So I've cleaned it, and now as you can see there is slight bend. I'm going to show you. Okay. So you can see it's not even. It's not even over here. There is a slight depth due to the usage. So what I'm gonna do is, these both are not equal, so I'm gonna take emery paper. This is 100. You can use depending the availability. I'm not telling that you have to use 100 grade emery paper. So I'm using a normal emery paper, and I'm gonna make it flat, rub it little bit. Okay, there's too much of. Okay, so this is, you can replace with a new one. If not, you can use this technique. Yeah, this is fine. I'm gonna take this later. So now it's time to put this bushes back, carbon bushes. This is how you can replace with a new one, or you can use this and try once. So I'm gonna insert it back over here. It should be free, it should not. Hold it very tight. It should be like free actually. The movement should be free. Okay, now it's free now. So it's time to push this spring inside first, and then push this part and put this lock. Okay, so it should be fine. Then you give a little press. Okay, so one side it is done. It's time to do same thing at the other side. Guys, I'm really sorry that I have got too many comments and the feedback on my English. I know my English is not that great, and people ask me to make a videos in Hindi, Kannada and other language. Only reason I still continue making video in English is English is a business language where you can reach everyone with this, but regional language will help only that particular region people, but English will help everyone. It's a common language which will reach everyone very soon. So that's it. Apart from that, nothing else. I am a Kannadiga. I talk Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, English, Kannada and little bit of Malayalam too. So please don't mind. I've got too much of abusive comments on my comment section for talking in English, but it happens. I don't. It's not my mistake or the people comment. It happens because everyone in India is particular about their language. But when coming to something information, in sharing information, it should be in general language which can reach everyone. I hope you can hear this sound. So it should be working fine now. I'm not gonna put the screws. Let us do a test now if this is working fine. Time to make a perform a test. Yes. It's fine. It's time to put the jar and make a test. So this worked, but still after a few seconds it stopped. So maybe this is due to a coil issue, I think, because it was working fine for a few seconds. Again it stopped working. Over here I have to check if armature is getting more heated. That also may be an issue. If the armature is weak, then even then this happens. So there is another option where you can direct this, so the motor will not turn off, but there is very high chances of risk wherein motor will burn out. If you do that, like there's a very much chance, I said, that motor will burn. But I've changed this. Maybe there is an issue with the armature. You can see over there. This part, the copper part, you can see here, which is shining. This is the armature. So this is getting heated very much. So I think there is an issue with the armature. So now guys, this was the basic checkup which you can make before taking it to the electrician, and I have checked it. So the issue is with the armature. So to check if armature is like, this is the one of the thing which you can check by, like, there's nothing inside, only the outer coil and the armature, and on and off switch, and then speed control switch, and two carbon bushes, and apart from that there is one release button. So there's nothing else in any of the mixer grinder. If this is not working out, you can direct this, but I don't recommend. By directing this, there are very much chances that entire coil may get burned. So here the issue is with the armature. I don't have a particular machine which we can make a test of the armature, so I will be taking back. I have a warranty on this. This has come with 5 years of warranty. You can see here it's clearly mentioned. So I really don't want to take any chance. So I have already done the basic troubleshooting steps to find out, and it's not working out. So issues with the armature, wherein I saw the armature was very much heated up. So I'm gonna take this to the shop where I bought this, or call Prestige, so they can come and provide me the warranty at doorstep. So they're gonna come and repair it. So this is how you can do. If this was not under warranty, I would have removed the motor, entire thing, and checked by myself. As this is under warranty, I really don't want to void the warranty. Hence, I'm putting it back and sending it to the shopkeeper, the store where I bought this one. And I hope guys this video was useful to you, wherein you got to know how to replace the carbon. You can just have to take the old carbon and give it in the electrical shop, where he will be able to give you a new carbon. So there are two types of, this is the standard type of carbon which I have shown, and most of the time you will get a round carbon or a little bit thinner or a thicker carbon. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. The mixer is getting off only because of the armature issue, where the armature is getting more heated up, and due to that it's not able to take the load. So that's all guys, and if this particular knob is loose, this happens, you have to tighten it up. And just try all those kind of troubleshooting. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your love and support. Catch you in my next video. Still that, stay tuned. Bye bye.